Hey, what's up, you guys? Okay, so a new magic trick here for you. It's really cool. It's called oil and water. Now, these are going to be the oil red cards, and these are going to be the water black cards, just in case it's easier to remember. So, water and oil. So, you know how when you combine oil and water, the oil always rises to the top because it's a larger substance? So, technically, that's what's going to happen, because if I put, like, the red cards down, red card down, and red card down, and I keep the black cards right here, the water cards. And I put them side by side and I start mixing them together. Water, oil, and water, oil. But you know that can't really happen for too long because the oil rises to the top as I speak. And it just turns out to be that it all comes up to be oil on the top even though we mixed it, and the water on the bottom. So, it's a really cool trick, and how it works is very simple. You just grab any 3 random red cards and black ones. Now, you're gonna, I don't know why, but I always use the red as oil and the black as water, and I always have the oil go on top once you show it like that. And then you hold it in the glide position, but you're not gliding anything yet at the moment. And you show it, red card. You can even show it to them as you put it down for the first 2 times. You show a red card, but on the 3rd time you're going to glide with these 2 fingers and grab this card, but you don't show it to them because it's the black one. And then you put it down, slide it back, and say that these are the water cards, and that you're going to put them on your left-hand side and the oil on your right-hand side. Now, you're going to start with the black cards, the water ones, and you say you're going to mix it. Water, oil, water, oil, water, oil. So, it looks like you mixed it, and they think you did. They really think you did. But once you do whatever you want, blow on it, whatever you want, you can show that all the oils has risen to the top with the water substance staying on the bottom. So, it's a pretty cool trick. I really hope you guys like it, and I just thought it'd be cool to show you guys.